Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share a little haul with you. And just to kind of put it in perspective, in the last few weeks or so, I've started stamping all my CC Designs stamp sets, and I've been coloring them and keeping them in a little journal like this. And then I can just peel this off and put it on a page. So that's a new series on my channel, if you will. It's the Color With Me. Well, because I have been doing those, I have been obsessed with the stamp sets, and I thought, well, let me go check if, if they're still in business, if they still, make new stamp sets, and oh, they do. And I loved everything. Now, I have to say, all the ones that I've had for like 20 years, they're no longer available. And I kind of figured that, but they have new stamp sets. And oh my goodness, I got 8 today. And I know there was quite a few that were out of stock. So I put my name with my email address so that they email me so I can buy them when they come back in stock. And by the way, I have an affiliate link. It's going to be in the comments down below. And if you use my link, full disclosure, I do get a small commission. But the first one, and I've already stamped them out. Okay, so this one is Tinks. The smaller ones are $8 a piece. So I stamped 3 already. And you're going to see this in my Clean With Me, but I had all of these in a file folder and I didn't like it. So now I've cut them all apart. I have a ton. During my cleaning, I found these and I'm like, what am I going to do with those? And then I was like, aha. So I've cut them all apart and I'm going to put them in there. And here I'll put CC Designs. And I found 4 of them. So one of them I'm going to cut my sheets now like this 3x4. And I have a container that's just with empty paper, like that's not stamped on. Because what I do is I usually sit down and cut out a whole bunch at once, right? So it's nice, the more I'm, like this week I organized my Copics, I organized my Ohuhu markers, and I'm just really getting into it. But anyway, this is the next one I got. It's called Reindeer Swissy. She's so cute. And here it is stamped out. Love it. And these ones have sayings too. Like the ones I had before, there was no sayings. These ones have sayings and they're clear. And if you remember when I was stamping those out, I had to put a clear piece of acetate to glue, like to put my stamp on. Well, these come with acetate, so that's good. Then this was, when I first saw that, this is the one I wanted the most. And why I wanted to order. It's called Pumpkin Swissy. And I have pictures of Lexi, her first Halloween. My daughter took pictures of her in a pumpkin. Too cute. So this is definitely going to go on that page. I love that. For my little pumpkin doodle. Oh, I love that. So there's that. And the fact that, they've been in my scrap room for less than a week, they're already all stamped out, and I'm going to start coloring them. Another thing that she loves, Lexi, is baths. So I wanted to do a page, just add water, right? If she's cranky, just add water and she'll be happy. Pool, bath, spraying her with water, going outside in the rain. She loves the rain. This one is called Bubble Bath. And look how cute that is. Oh, I'm so excited about those. Then, ever since Lexi was born, I'm like obsessed with Halloween again. I don't know why. I used to love Halloween way years ago when my kids were really young. And now just knowing, I don't know, maybe girls' little outfits, Halloween outfits are just so cute. So I've stamped them out already, and I even did the cauldron. This one is called Halloween. So these ones here where there's 2 girls, And there's actually a cauldron. This is $16. So it's like 2 of those, right? And then I am obsessed with a few things. One of them is Hocus Pocus. I love Hocus Pocus. Well, they have Hocus Pocus stamp set. Now, a lot of them were sold out, so I put my name, like when it comes in, let me know. But there's the Sanderson sisters. I want them. There's one, it's called We Fly. They're on a broom. And then the other one is just the 3 of them standing. Want them. But they had Binks. And this is like the spell that they do to turn him into a cat. Love that. So I stamped those out too. We stamped Binks. We stamped the book and the candle. I can't help it. Every time I see that, I think, book. I didn't want to do it too loud. And I'm sick, so it doesn't, my voice is not very good right now. Another thing is, Lexi's mom, when she was little, she was obsessed, still is, I think. Yeah, she still is, by Wizard of Oz. She would watch Wizard of Oz over and over again. And I'm like, you know what? This is a Wizard of Oz stamp set. I love it. So I just stamped the Scarecrow, Tin Man, and I did Dorothy. I didn't do the Lion. I'll do them another time. But I got those 3 going. And then the last one is Lexi's first birthday was Alice in Wonderland theme. Like instead of W-O-N, we put O-N-E for one, Wonderland. So I'm like, oh, so I can color these in and use those on her pages. So you got Alice, you got the rabbit, you got the crazy cat. And then I didn't stamp him, but I can do him another time. So that's it. I got 8 stamp sets. And as you see, I already have them stamped out. And I love that I have these boxes now where I can keep everything all organized in there. Well, organized. It's all in there. So if I know if I want CC Design, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a label on this. I might actually use 2 boxes for CC Designs. I think I have other boxes. I'm sure I have other boxes. I might do 2 boxes for CC Design because that is pretty full. But that's it. That is my haul from CC Designs. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe if you're enjoying these videos. If you wouldn't mind giving me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.